So in this section, I'm going to be doing a little bit of copying and pasting from a code I wrote some time ago. Yeah. So we are going to be integrating SJ5. We've already integrated that. We're going to write code to authenticate a user, but this only works on Android. You cannot text it. You cannot test it on desktop. So let's do something like this. First of all, let's collect when we sign in on release. We'll have to say root.controller, yeah, dot login. Is it login? Let me check the name I used here. Okay, account. Let me just say account login because login looks somehow too short. Say account login, then we have to extract. We have to pass in IDs here. ID. Um, the ID is email. Sorry, say just email. The ID for this password. So here we can say email dot text comma password dot text exactly. So we will probably copy this and do the same. Controller, don't worry. Sorry guys, you'll be hearing some noise, a train noise. Not my fault. Yeah, I'm very close to the railway. Okay, as I was saying, we have to copy this, go to sign up, yeah, and add it here. But before we do that, we have to make some check. Come on, say if password let's set our IDs first before checking. ID email, ID password, and ID. I'm just say C password means confirm password. Okay, so here we are going to check if password equals C password. If it is, we can cut this guy, paste it right here. Yeah, pretty simple. Root or control the account. This should be account sign up. Yeah, that's it. So let's go to our controller. Yeah, we'll go to the login screen here. Let's do the one for login. Yeah, I'll just this is now for controller. As for controller, just copy everything here, almost everything here, right? In the I will explain what I'm copying though. Put it right here. Okay, so what is going on here? This is the controller. So I say controller.account login is going to call this function with email and password, and it will call self.model the login. So the model is going to do the login, whatever the login authentication or whatever sign up, anything. So we passed an email and the password. Then again we passed a callback. This callback is going to check if the process we are trying to do is successful or not. If it is successful, um, let me remove. Okay, yeah, just leave the print statement. Just ignore it for now. I'm going to use it to diagnose later. We'll check if the task is going to return. The callback is going to be passed a task argument, and it's going to check if task is successful, right? If it is successful, we should. I'm not going to switch anywhere. I'm just going to toast. Um, say login success. Yeah, if it was successful. If not, if not, it's going to toast for us something in this nature. Login failed. Yeah, it didn't pass the login test. So that's it here. And then I will just go ahead, copy this login, and probably go to my Python again, go to model, and then go to login here. Wait, exactly. Let me import this. Yeah, from SJ Firebase, join interface and complete listener. So this is a callback. Let's analyze the code. So this login screen, let's go to the base model to see what's going on here. So this have a self.database. During the initialization, this database is from this guy right here, this database. Yeah. So during the initial, you don't need to understand how the whole thing is doubled up. Just know that database references this, so you can use the database to get self.art. So if it is an Android, that's crazy. Seriously crazy. All right. So let's move ahead to login screen. No, on the model, yeah, login screen. So we pass in our email, we pass in our password, the callback. Remember the callback from the controller, and then a listener. We create our listener here. Come back on callback, whatever that is here. We store it in listener. Our authentication. We get the instance of our authentication. Yeah. So this is how you get the instance of it. Then we would sign the person in with his email and password. This is now where Firebase will do the signing. And we have add on complete listener. We have to parse our listener. So whenever the process is completed, whatever callback we parsed in here will be triggered. Yeah. So it's pretty much easy. Yeah. Um, that's it. Remember, database references to this database. Art references to this art right here. Remember, we imported SJ Firebase. In short, watch the previous videos if you don't understand. Okay, now see where we imported. We have to check if it is an Android. We imported it here and assigned it here. You can equally import it above, but I'm also testing the user interface here on my desktop, so this will crash. So I imported it, and this is what we use to authenticate. Exactly. So we are done with login screen. See you on sign up screen.